Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compare two or more stocks on Google Finance. So as you can see here guys, I'm on Google Finance, and in order to compare two or more stocks, it is super easy. You can go ahead and search for any stocks that you want to compare, or you can just simply find something here wherever and you can easily compare them. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to do things a bit more organized and just put a few stocks within my watch list. On the left hand side here, you can see I have a watch list called stocks, and it is super easy to create. By the way, if you want to create a watch list, you can click the plus here and just give it a name, click and save, and it will be created. Now, I'm in this watch list here, and I'm going to click on the add investment, and let me go ahead and just choose, for example, Tesla, right? As an example. Now, I have Tesla right here, right, guys? And in order to compare, I'm going to quickly open up Tesla by clicking on it and see how things look right now over the last days. Now, if you want to compare two or more stocks, if you look towards the lower left hand side of a particular stock page, you will see a compare to button. Click on this and you can compare with something else. So let's say I want to compare Tesla to, let's say, Apple. So I type in Apple and I'm going to compare Apple. I'm going to click Apple here. And let's say I want to also compare that with Microsoft. I can type in Microsoft, right? And I can just add Microsoft Corp there as well. And here you can see that I have the three stocks added and they are currently comparing. You can see them in different lines. And as you can see, they have different colors and you can see how you can easily compare them. Now, this is a comparison of one day. If you want to get some historical data, you can just quickly switch back to 5 days, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and so forth. So you have a long list of historical data that you can quickly compare to. And as you can see right here, it is currently showing the level of Microsoft right now. And you also can go back to even 5 years as well. So you have the 1 year, you have 5 years, and you've never maxed. They actually show you, you can see the maximum amount of time. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and compare two or more stocks on Google Finance. Very easy and very simple.